Warning, I am not a professional. This is just a hobby of mine, and then from time to time I get distracted and do stupid things like cutting my finger off. Please don't do that. That really effing hurt.
Oh, Brian!
I'm trying to make a video! Hi, it's your favorite builder again. Brian, Sparky's Model Salvage. Or at least I think I am. I don't know. It's probably somebody else. Oh well, whatever. So, pulled this model off of a shelf, about an old collection of somebody else I bought, and for a demonstration of the chrome, how to go to chrome pad badges and videos. It's that one right there. Link will be in the description. And looking at this, and I'm like, man, I kind of just want to rebuild this one too. So I think I'm just going to rebuild it. As you can obviously see in the thumbnail, I've already done it. Duh. But I got to show you how I do it. So, yeah. So this one already started falling apart as soon as I kind of pulled it off the shelf. So the guy hardly uses any glue. I mean, look at that. I mean, I can literally drop it from like here to there and more stuff's gonna come off. Oh well. All right. So let's get started. So like the last one, I'm just gonna take this and drop this on the floor. No, I did not do that on the last one. Okay, if you've been watching, you know that's not what I do. All right. This should be like very easy to take apart. I'll move my camera over here. Is that better? Tell me if that's better. Okay, thank you. All right. It shouldn't take really too long to dismantle. See. And there we go. I'm gonna keep that interior. That looks awesome. The gauges on there, if you can see the gauges, like, yeah. You know, another thing, I gotta figure out where's my camera? Is it over here? Where's my camera at? On the phone. Keep on looking like over here, over there, up there, like during these, when I'm trying to show you stuff and talk to you, and I just look kind of stupid when I do that. But all right, I'm gonna keep the interior. We're not gonna touch that. We're not gonna touch that motor either. That motor's way better than what I can do. I mean, I know there's really not much to it. I just need to learn how to. I just need to do it. Do the motors, but. Yeah, I'll get there someday. I know it's not that hard. I just like doing what I do, That's a little cool thing there, too. I took and did the brake lines. So, gotta pop that out. Yay, there we go. Windows should come out very easily. There we go. I got fixed the axle on this. This popped off. It snapped off the back of the wheel, but I don't like these wheels. I don't know. I might use them. The guy who went and did valve stems on them with the wheels too. So hell, I might just keep these wheels. I think I'm going to now that I look at them. But I need to take all this. We're gonna keep that license plate. We're gonna take all this. Anything that's this red, we're gonna stick it in this stuff. Just use one of these. I've had this thing, I don't know, in there for about a year. Hardly used it in the last year or two. This is what I use. Totally awesome. Get this from one of the dollar stores. I think it's Dollar Tree. Stuff's cheap. It's like $1. Might be $2 now because of, you know, the dumb inflation over the last 4 years. But yeah, that'll be stripped off within 2 days. So stick it in there and let it sit, and it'll be 2 days later by the time I get back to this video. All right. Of course, when I put this in there, forgot to take out the headlights. Man, I'm not even sure if this stuff even is going to come off. Jay-Z did it too. All right. Well, that didn't work. So, let's see if I got a kit over here. I think I had one. This is why I buy complete stuff and kits and crap from shows and just stockpile. And look at that one. That one's gonna be cool. That's a chopped Cadillac wagon hearse. I'm just looking to see if I have a body in here anywhere, because that's a complete kit and I do not want to rob it. I really just do not want to rob that. So we're gonna go through this. Crap. What am I doing? Okay, it's not the AMT kit, it's a Revell kit. So this is pretty cool. I haven't looked through this stuff in a while. Somebody made a flip nose out of this. I never completed it. That's pretty cool. We're gonna keep that. I tried stripping that one a while ago, and that's as much as that came off. No idea what the hell happened there. That might actually be a good one. I think I'm going to use that. I have a note on there. Yeah. So keep the rest of them, and here's going to be my donor. So, got plenty of parts here to wrap some chrome off of. So, sweet. Okay, so none of that worked out because yeah, I don't know. Just not stripping the paint off. Need something stronger or something, but I just want to get this thing done, so I just stole another body out of one of my other kits. I have like 4 or 6 of these, 7, I don't know, but I have like 4 of them that are opened, and there's like 5 bodies in there, and one's. It's long story. There's no point in me telling you about it. I actually recorded me going through this stuff, but I never even used it for this video, obviously, because you're at this point now. Just ridiculous. It's my ADD and ADHD going at it and trying to fight each other, and it just, neither one of them's winning. It's just wasting my time. So we're gonna go with this one. Grab some chrome out of the other stuff. Forgot what part this is for, but couldn't find it in any of the other kits, so I had to keep this one. All right, back to it. Gotta get some primer on this. So at the time of this recording, at this time, right now, like, I already done painted the, the body primered. You know how to do that. Everybody knows how to spray primer, okay? And then I did the hairspray method, and I used black primer for the top coat. So, yeah. Just keep watching the video. God. Here we are again, back in the pooping station. I just love that flat black look. I got an idea for something I seen on somebody else built. There's like a flat black Impala with like white and aqua blue interior. Looks pretty sweet. I'm gonna have to do that sometime because I just love that car. But at this point in this video, I mean, you've seen the thumbnail, you've seen how it turns out, but man, I might put another coat on here or something, but I'm not sure. I'm just going to sand this and see how it turns out. So I'm editing the video right now, all right? And after I sanded it down, I never took a picture or hit record of the process of what it actually, the process did, okay? So, like, this whole video is screwed up. The build screwed up, the paint screwed up. Just stick it out to the end. Help me, okay? I need help. Oh no! Yes. Always keep extra spray nozzles. Get them on eBay, Amazon, whatever. And that's horrible. What in the hell happened here? That's just going to take a couple coats. Well, I screwed up. So that paint, I should have put like a white base if I was going to do something. I don't know. I don't know what I did wrong with that. Why it's not. As you can see, I sanded this down. I didn't record that. I just sanded it down. I just went in there and recorded it to see how it would turn out, because I was already on my second layer of paint, and it's all orange peel looking and doesn't look right. It's too heavy. And I wanted to see if I sanded it, what it would do. I'm liking that, but I'm not liking it. My wife likes it, but I don't know what to do here. So, this is what I'm going to do. I need you viewers to comment what to do with this. Strip it, start over, because you remember, like, I got all the parts. Everything else is already, like, it's built, done. This was the rebuild of the 70 Chevelle for the 454, and I'm not even sure if that's 454 now. I don't think it is. I'm not a motor guy, but I feel like that motor should have been a lot bigger in there if it was a 454. But comment what I should do with this. Put it in the stripper, strip it down, keep going and just go with that and like do like a black trim all over it and just put it back together. Because it's going to be that color if I keep on sanding it. And obviously I sanded down way too much there. I'm going to have to put like rust or something on it. But yeah, I want to hear and see your guys' thoughts on this. I know people are going to watch this. I mean, I thought about just like starting over and just not doing the video, but then I kind of thought about like the video. I'm like, no, I'm going to put this out there. Like, yeah, I screwed up. I don't know what to do. Like, you don't see a car that looks like this. This isn't really realistic. So, yeah. So that's going to be it for this video. Like, share, subscribe, and comment what you think I should do with this. Continue. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I want to leave it up to you guys. So maybe I can get this done over the weekend, depending on what I feel. But yeah, just going to continue on with another build here and leave it up to you guys. So comment, please. Comment. Next video. See ya. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. If you like this channel, please go subscribe, or you want to see other videos, yeah, check out this playlist or watch one of these other videos. See ya.